Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create Azure container instance. Azure provide a lot of easiest way to getting access container Docker solution. Uh, Let me show you how to create the small Hello World application using the Azure container. Once you get login in your Azure portal using portal.azure.com, and then you go to resource group. So whenever you do something demonstration purpose or something to get a practice, you create a resource group so that it will be easy to identify where your resource are belongs to, and then you'll getting into the billing as well based on your resource group, how much the space was consumed. So it's really useful to make a resource group, and there you can create any resource like a virtual machine, container, Docker, or other like a networking, everything. So I created for demonstration purpose. I create a container named called with resource group. Once you enter the container, this is a resource group name. It's not a real container. Don't confuse into that. Go to add. Just search container instance. Container instance. Yes, it will bring you. Yes, and then select container instance. Start to create. So it's I'm used to free trial subscription since I have a credit card still I have. So there is this group called under container. If you want create new also, you can create here itself, and even before as well, so you can create the container name. Put something demo demo container. Okay, that region as usual, you can select any in your respective nearest location, and that's it. So here you can see the image source. These are the very important. The quick start image. This is recommended by default Azure. So you can use the default whatever belongs to Azure. You can use to that. Also Azure Container Registry. These are similar Docker Hub repository. So Azure own their Azure Container Registry. Here itself you can get the images. This is the Docker Hub. No, this is as usual how Docker container repository will get. This is the Docker repository. So let me show you for the demonstration purpose using a Docker images for using the quick start. See here the image called Microsoft ASCII Hello Linux, Hello World Linux based one. Instead of you can click, you can see all the thing, even engine is available, even Windows IIS also available. Okay, let me choose Microsoft IIS over using the Nano Server microservices. Let me select this one, and then next networking. Networking, the expose port 80 by default will come. If you want change, you can do. So I'm going to show you to publish this IP to expose on a public site. So I'll make default. Even if you want to put a name as well, and if you have any own domain, call something, or you can put something any test demo 2. You can access this web application using your domain name as well the IP using the public IP, and then go to next. There is no plugin about that, and the tag everything as it is, keep as it is. Then simply create. Yes, so it now initializing for deployment. It will take a couple of minutes. Sometime it will take hardly, yeah, of course, 2 to 3 minutes. So it's not that much effort to take because the simple deployment. Yeah, of course, so your deployment is underway. Just wait for it for a couple of minutes. You will get into in this container. Then I'll show you how to access this published Hello World. Yes, see here you can see demo container is created. Here you can see the what process going from the notification bar. Go to resource group, under container. Here you can see the demo container is created, container instance with the image of hello world. Yeah, it is public API assigned. Still is deployment running. So wait for some couple of minutes. Once it get over, I will can access using this public IP for this hello world publish. You can see the container about the status now, whether it is running or terminated or see the state is waiting, which means still is provisioning, it's not deployed fully. Here you can see the log as well, what currently running in the background. So you can see the image. So this is the image for that IS Nano server using a Hello World. The port as exposed to 80. This is under the specification for specific VM2 core and then 2.5 GB. Even you can see image is now currently pulling. Then after pulling, then it will be a create a container. So wait for a couple of minutes. Yeah, so pull and then the pulling, then created. Yeah, successfully pulled. Finally, we'll get a status over here for running. So this is very similar in our how traditional Docker deploy. The same way we can, yes, now we are ready to get it the configuration at all. So container is now ready to view the things. Yeah, see you can see the state is running. Now you can go to overview. Yeah, just copy this IP and just browse this IP. Yeah, I think I misspelled. Yeah, just type the IP. You'll yeah. So you'll get a internet information service, which is the home page of in our internet IAS service, which is Windows IAS service. So yeah, so currently our IAS service is enabled, which means our web service ready. You can put any content over there and to publish again. You will get your website. So how easy, right? So yeah, of course, you guys can try and let me know your feedback. If you want any more assist, and I'll let you. I'll help you to get this kind of things. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.